Hello guys, and it's me again. Today we're gonna learn how to make a game sorting garbage. It can be game for kids who learn what they supposed to put in what bin, garbage bin. And we have all kind of garbage out here, and we have garbage bins. And I'm gonna expand. I'm gonna show it you how it works. So, for example, Kiddo has a big pile of garbage, food, glass, metal, plastic, and it also has garbage bins which are signed like paper, plastic, metal, glass, organic. And the kid has to take it and has to put it. Wait a second. The game doesn't work well. It has to be draggable. So when the game starts, it has to be draggable. Okay, let's try it again. Kiddo has to sort it. For example, I take this thing that's a plastic and I have to put it into plastic bin. So I take it and it says yes, thank you, and hides. I have, for example, glass, so I think I should put it in the glass bin. I put it, yes, thank you, and it disappears. And that's it, that's a game. It can be sorting like anything, shapes, colors, garbage, up to you. That's a game, and let's start it. I will create a new file, new window. Oops, not new window, file, new. Okay. And as you can see, I have different shape. It's more like a long, and I mentioned before in the previous lesson. You go to advanced, and here is custom stage size. You can write it like 700. Here you can write 300. You click and you see how long it is. I need to change it because I already set it like 600. Well, maybe it can be 700. Okay, let's keep it 700, and this one can be 400. Okay, it looks good to me. And I need to get all my elements out here like separate sprites. Every bin has to be separate sprite. So I go to my little kitten and I go to upload, and I have everything prepared out here. Like all my garbage bins are separate, and my garbage is also separate. So what I do, I just select it, like surround it with my mouse pointer, and I click open, and you see what happens. They all get out here like separate sprites, which is very nice because I don't need to do it one after another. And here I just put my garbage bins like this next to each other. I sort it all, align it. Here you have it. And also I put my garbage like a big pile of something. It doesn't have to be sorted because that's a game what it's about, to sort it. Metal, it has to also look like metal, like knife, tin can, the grinder, and plastic has to look like plastic, paper, yeah, glass. So pretty much all the elements are nice and cozy out here. I need just to write the code, and the code, let's start for example with food. So I click here and I see my food leftovers, and it's organic. So the code will be when the game starts. I have to show, very easy, I have to be visible. When the game starts, I have to be visible, and also I have to be draggable. So when the game starts, I have to be draggable. Set drag mode to draggable. Show and drag. You can combine it together like this. Show and set drag mode to draggable. Then what I have to do when the game starts, I always have to check forever if I touch color. We go to sensing and we have if touching color. So our food will be this color. I just click touching color, and here is a little eye drop, and I choose what color I'm gonna touch with this food. So my food leftovers, if they touch color, check forever, every time, every second. If touching color, this screen, then have to say something, like say yes, yes, thank, oops, thank you for sorting the garbage. Here you go. If it touches this color, it says thank you, and it also hides. So the idea is it gets into the garbage bin. We have to go to hide. Here you go. Let's test it. We press the green flag. We take our food and we take it like here. We drop it. It says thank you for sorting garbage, and it disappears. And we already sorted one item. Let's test it on the big screen. I expand it, play it, and you see it goes somewhere. Like originally it has to be somewhere here, somewhere in this area, but it pops out where it was left last time. So we can fix it, and we can say when the game starts, go to where it is now, motion, and it will automatically give you X and Y coordinates where it is now. So you just pull it out when the game starts, just go there. Let's test it. You can drag it. Let's test it. You see, it always goes thank you for sorting, and it disappears. I click it and it comes here. Actually, that would be nice to make if they all mix up on the bottom. Maybe later I will make a little bit of code so all the garbage will be sorted, not sorted, but just mixed up on the bottom part of the game. Okay, and we have to do it with every item. Let's go like plastic. And instead of writing all the code, we just can copy everything. To copy those pieces of code, lines of code, you have to just drag and drop, drag and drop, and it wiggles a little bit. You can see, like when you take it, it wiggles. It means it's ready to accept the code. So here we go. Everything is fine here except coordinates. Like it's not supposed to go where the food leftover is. It's supposed to go where it is itself. So we just go and pull it out. Hop, hop, and also color. Color has to be different. We have plastic, and plastic is here. So I click and I change color for this bluish. Here you go. Let's test it. Okay. First we need organic. Thank you, thank you. Then we need plastic. It works. Let's click. Oh, it comes back. You see, that's it. You just copy code. You make a code for one element, and then you just copy and change colors and change a little bit of coordinates, and that's it. It's a nice game. If you guys have any questions, or you want to have a private lessons, access to materials, subscribe, write, get in touch. That's it. See ya.